Welcome to our beginners class. Let's get started on our backs with a bit of core. So on your backs, we're going to just split the legs and cradle the head. Take a breath in, exhale, curl the shoulders up. Good, and twist to the right, and then release your left hand. You're going to reach with that right leg anywhere, on the calf, on the ankle, anywhere. And then just grab the leg and pull the leg towards you. You're going to curl your tailbone up, and that will activate the core. Inhale, just hover the left leg. Lower the right leg and the left arm, and exhale, jackknife it up, pull the leg towards you for 1. Inhale, lower. Exhale, pull navel down, curl tailbone up for 2. Inhale, lower, keep the belly braced. Exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, and exhale for 8. Well done, you guys. Bend the leg and cradle the head with both hands this time, and keep the left leg hovering and really firm it to keep the activation in the core. Take a breath in, exhale, curl the shoulders up and twist, and tap your left elbow to your right knee. Inhale, lower the upper body, straighten the leg. Exhale, lift, twist, and tap 1. Inhale, lower, lengthen. Exhale, lift, twist, and tap 2. Inhale, exhale, tap 3. Inhale, exhale, tap 4. You want to curl your tailbone up. Inhale, exhale, tap 5. Inhale, exhale, tap 6. Inhale, exhale, tap 7. Inhale, and exhale, tap for 8. Switch. Okay, straighten the right leg and the left leg, and reach your right hand for the left leg. Pull the leg towards you. Cradle the head with the left hand. Inhale, lower the left leg and the right arm. Exhale, jackknife it up, pull the leg towards you for 1. Inhale, lower, exhale for 2. Inhale, lower, exhale for 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, keep the belly and core engaged, exhale, 5. Inhale, use your exhale for 6. That exhale is the power. Inhale, exhale, 7, curl the tailbone up, shoulders up. Inhale, and exhale for 8. Bend the left leg, cradle the head with both hands. Keep the right leg hovering. Inhale, exhale, curl the shoulders up and twist and tap right elbow to left knee. Inhale, lower, straighten leg. Exhale, lift, twist, and tap 1. Inhale, straighten left leg, lower, and exhale, twist and tap 2. Inhale, exhale, tap 3. Inhale, exhale, tap 4. Inhale, exhale, tap 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. And inhale, and exhale for 8, and release. Okay, very nice, you guys. Let's come down onto our hands and knees. Good, and find this tabletop position. Just shift forwards and backwards, just warming up the wrists. Good, forwards and backwards. Good, hollow the belly and protract the shoulder blades. Good, shoulders forward and back, hollowing the belly and release. Okay, tuck the toes under and downward facing dog. We're going to really open up the hips today, okay? So push your hands down and forward and take your tailbone up high. Inhale the left leg up. Good, and lift up high on the balls of the right foot now. Really engage that left leg and stretch it away. Go ahead and bend that leg and look under your left armpit, and then even try to peek at the ceiling. Drive your right hand down and squeeze your left glute and even straighten that left leg. You're going to feel into your low back muscle, your QL and everything. Drop the leg behind you. Keep the right leg straight and wild thing. Push down to the right hand and take your left arm overhead. Turn your right chest, right hip to the ceiling more. Drive your pupil bones, sit bones, and hip bones up to the sky. Beautiful, breaking the pose. Left hand down, left leg floats up. Shift the shoulders forward and bring your thigh to chest. Good, and really glue the thigh to your chest and push the mat away, dead straight arms. Try to find that core compression. Good, land your foot between your hands, high lunge. Okay, so the left hip creases back and squeezes the right. Push down through the left heel and float up light as a feather into high lunge. Good, you have to get the distance right here. And you're going to keep straightening this right leg more and more and engage that in the glute. Left leg to 90 degrees. The hips are the lights to a truck, and both the headlights have to face forward and the chest, okay? And then float the arms up. So all about hip opening here. Squeeze your right thigh glute and lower into the left leg more. Use your left heel. Notice your left outer hip really wants to come forward and cheat. So lift out of the waist and arch back. Straighten the arms and straighten the fingertips away from crown of the head. Opening the chest and the armpits. Left hip crease back and squeezing to the right. Do you feel that? From your right thigh glute even more. Let's take one more breath. Inhale, lift and arch back. Exhale, firm that right thigh and glute. Very nice. Okay, drop down to your right knee. Good, and land your hands onto your left thigh. Keep the toes tucked under. Push away from the left thigh as you lower the right thigh and look over your left shoulder. Excellent, very nice. Okay, good. And then you're going to untuck the right toes and push down through the top of the foot and try to drag that foot forward as you push away from the right thigh, the left thigh. Good, squeeze your shoulder blades and open the chest. All right, good. So now we're going to try to move that right knee back a little, and if it's possible with a strap or with your bind or any strap or band, okay? Grab a hold of that foot from the outside, and then grab the foot with your left hand from the inside. And then you want to kick that heel away from the glute as you drop the thigh down. That right thigh is going lower, and squeeze that right glute. And drive the right thigh forward and kick. Heel kicks away from the glute. And squeeze your shoulder blades and arms are straight. And stay here for 2 more breaths. It's all about opening up that thigh and hip and kick and kick and kick. Good, and break the pose. Very nice, you guys. Okay, right hand down, we're going to go into side plank. So keep your right knee grounded and push down through the right hand and just step your left foot back. So that's a beginner's level. If you can, lift the right knee up. It's all in the power of the push of the right hand. So push down, and then maybe you can step your left foot back. Maybe the left foot steps in front of the right, or if you could stack it. Take the left arm overhead. So here, squeeze your glutes to drive hip bones forward so you have that full extension. And then the left hip has to roll forward a little, so it's usually over-rotated. Push down, push down, push down, and break the pose. Left hand down, shift forward, find your chaturanga, knees up or down, low plank, and then up dog and pause here. So this is all about hip opener. Good, roll the shoulders back and squeeze, and exhale, downward facing dog. Very nice, you guys. The right leg up and bend the knee and look under your armpit to the ceiling. Roll that hip back. Squeeze that glute and reach that leg straighter. Drop the leg behind you. Good, straighten the left leg and wild thing. Drive sit bones, people bones, and hip bones up to the sky. Good, and reach the right arm overhead. The power is in the left hand. And break the pose. The right hand drops down, the right leg floats up. Look forward and shift the shoulders over the wrist and drive the thigh to your chest. Get as much height as you can. Now with the height, you can land your right foot. I usually slide my left foot back a little, find that heel, and rise up into high lunge. So you have a moment here to get squared and bent into that right leg. Firm that left thigh and glute and straighten it more and more. Go ahead and float your arms up and open the armpits. Good. Inhale, lift out of the waist and arch back. If you want to lightly interlace the fingers or cross the thumbs, that's good too. Inhale, exhale. You are trying to get the upper body more upright. Notice your right outer hip, it wants to cheat. Get lower into the right leg. Squeeze and firm your left thigh and glute. Lift out of the waist and reach back. Straighten the arms, straighten the fingertips. Feel that whole line trying to lengthen. Drop your left knee down, very nice. Lunge deeply and push away from the right side, looking over your right shoulder. Make sure that left knee drives into that and tries to pull forward. Your left glute will squeeze. That will open your left hip. Very nice. Excellent from there. Okay, good. And break the pose. Now you're going to, maybe you have to move that left knee back a little. And then it's above the kneecap and bend the leg and catch a hold of the foot from the outside and from the inside. And go ahead and kick it. Kick it away. Shoulder blades are squeezing, chest is moving forward, heel moves away from the glute. And stay here, you have 3 more breaths. Find the balance between effort and ease. Sthira Sukham, another basic principle of yoga. This is a great example. All the efforting, and where do you get the ease? From the breath. Good, soften that left thigh down more and break the pose. Very nice. Okay, good, hands down, tuck your back toes under and step it back. Shift it forward, knees up or down, low plank chaturanga. Upward facing dog, more hip opener here, firm it, and squeeze until you feel your triceps. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up, good, exhale, land your warrior two. Land your foot and wiggle the arms open into Virabhadrasana 2. Drop your right hip down as much as you can, make your body as hard as a diamond. Connect with the outside edge of the right foot and hold and hold. Good, wiggle the arms down, pivot the right toes forward. Move your left foot to the outside edge and find a rocking lizard. Dropping that right thigh as much as you can. Keep it straight, keep it firm. Good, and maybe a bouncing lizard. Good, and then rock it back, drop the knee down, untuck the toes, and find your Uttanapristhasana lizard. So left knee is joint stacked over the left ankle, and squeeze that leg into your side body. Good, and then wherever you're at, so maybe you're on your fingertips, finger pads, pushing down and pulling back. You want shoulder blades down, then the chest can rise forward. Otherwise, outside form on a mat or block, or the inside, and then push down and pull back. Again, you want shoulder blades down so the chest could go forward. Those who are more flexible, go deeper. Stay here. This is a great chance to connect with the bandhas. So squeeze navel to your spine and the pelvic floor lifts. And stay with that and focus on your breath. That left side is your descending colon. It has to move our waist down and out. So let's help it a little. Left knee by the shoulder and break the pose. Okay, very nice. Okay, good. And then tuck your right toes under and scoot it back. And revolve your chest open to the left and traction that left thigh open. You could come to the outside edge of the left foot. Go ahead, stay there, draping the right thigh lower and lower, or bend the right leg, catch a hold of the foot, and drive the heel into the glute. And then maybe you could come to your right form and stay here. You have to isolate that hip and thigh more, so lengthen front of body by arching back. And stay here in your breath. Stay longer in the breath. And break the pose. Okay, toes and knees forward, and step it back into downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, shift it forward, thigh to chest, and land warrior two. Windmill it open into Virabhadrasana 2. Getting that left hip lower to open up that inner thigh. Firm the whole of the body. Make it solid. Make it as hard as a diamond. So your Stiram Sukham, find the effort and the ease. That balance, the ease comes with the breath. Windmill it down. Good. Pivot the left toes forward and move your right foot to the outside edge. So either bouncing lizard or rocking lizard, both, and then rock the knee back and go ahead and drop it down. Find Uttanapristhasana here. So shoulder blades down and really pull your chest forward. Squeeze that right thigh to your side body to help your ascending colon. Move waist up and over. And the minute you land this, can you find the connection between the effort and the ease with the bandhas and the breath? And break the pose. Very nice. Okay, good. And right toes, right knees point out, turn out. Traction that thigh open, letting that left thigh drape down. Otherwise, tuck your back toes under, scoot it back, and catch a hold of it. Drive it into the glute, and maybe come down to your left forearm. Push your left thigh forward and lengthen front body by arching back. Stay with your breath. And break the pose. Very nice. Right toes, right knee forward, and step it back, and just come to your knees. Okay, good. So here, let's bring our right knee on top of the left, stack it for shoelace pose, and walk the feet out. Inhale, tall spine, squeeze your shoulder blades. Exhale, hinge. There's no bend in the spine, and drape it over. Allow the chest and the weight of the head just to press down and open that outer hip. And then notice your bandhas. Draw navel in, please. Very nice, and break the pose. The back of the left hand to the right thigh, the right hand to the base of the spine. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, push right knee forward and revolve. Drive the left hand into the right thigh pushes back and twist. Look over your right shoulder, derotate the head, break the pose, and take a counter twist. Very nice, and change. So left knee above the right. You could come forward and give it a nice little push, little whack. Good, even roll away the flesh. Okay, inhale tall, exhale hinge. Drape the body over that thigh, let the head and chest be heavy. Breaking the pose, gentle spinal twist here. And break the pose. Okay, good. Take a counter twist. And you're gonna rise everything up. Squeeze, 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 and surrender. Heels to corners of the mat. Inhale, squeeze in. Exhale, lion spread. Ha. Inhale, squeeze. Sigh it out this time. Open the mouth. Ha. Honor your intention, honor your commitment on this amazing journey together. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.